Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today we're setting our sights on an intriguing geographical feature, Lucky Peak State Park. Nestled in the heart of Idaho, the picturesque area is home to a mighty reservoir and a power-generating dam that stand as a testament to the region's rugged history. This park is a treasure trove of its beauty, boasting vast expanses of desert and towering rock formations that dot the landscape. It's a sight to behold, particularly from above, where you can see the shimmering waters of the day, reservoir contrasting against the yellow hues of the surrounding desert. So, if you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, consider a visit to Lucky Peak State Park. This hidden gem will undoubtedly leave you in awe of its natural splendor. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting destinations. Until our next adventure, safe travels.